My video tutorial is dedicated to help you get rid of the malicious pop-ups by the site relativeads.net. These particular pop-ups primarily attack Google Chrome browser. Such pop-ups could be the consequence of some adware currently enabled in your computer. And if you see these pop-ups by relativeads.net, be very careful and do not tolerate them. Do not install whatever these pop-ups promote. Actually, they promote some unwanted browser extensions. So if any junk extensions were mistakenly added to your Chrome, access the menu, go to Extensions, then Manage Extensions, and remove any junk extensions if you find them. I also recommend you to research the system with Combo Cleaner. Go to the page combocleaner.com. Download the application, install it, and then start thoroughly researching your computer. Combo Cleaner antivirus will help you to effectively detect and eliminate other threats which still might possibly stealthily remain on your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode. So only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.